2/3 of white practicing Christians are not following Christianity. They're following a different religion, and we're calling it the religion of whiteness. It's the imagined right that those who are designated as racially white are the norm. They're the standard. Everything else is measured against that. It's important because it's that power, this power that comes from whiteness, that is being worshipped instead of Christ. It's centuries upon centuries of this that is the felt need to defend it and to celebrate it and to worship it. It isn't that we got really bad practitioners of Christianity or really mean people who use Christianity wrongly. They're not Christian. Name it. It's the religion of whiteness. Call it out for what it is. Second, frame. Map out, as our denomination, a collective strategy. In particular, it should be led by Christian leaders of color. God will swallow up death itself. We know that. Evil cannot endure. It's temporary. So in the meantime, we will dream and we will faithfully serve as we wait for that great moment.